Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to watch live on the TikTok website. If you're new here, then please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So let me show you how to watch live on the TikTok website. So first you want to go to tiktok.com. Here you want to make sure you're logged into your account. Once you've logged into the account, you'll come to this page here. Now to watch live TikTok videos, then you need to tap on live here at the top left. Go ahead and click on the live button. Now once you do this, you can use the up and the down arrow keyboard to watch more live videos. Go ahead and click to watch live. And now your live videos will start. So if I press down, I'll have more live videos. And as you can see, all the live videos are being shown on screen. Now you'll notice there is no chat right now. So in order to see the chat as well, you want to go ahead and click on the live. And once you do that, on the right hand side, you'll see all your chat going on. And now you can watch live, and on the right hand side, you'll see all the chat. Down below, you have all the gifts which you can gift to the TikTok user. And that is how to watch live TikTok videos on the TikTok website. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.